Okay, let me get ready. Yes, well, we last spoke about 2 months ago, and that was at the start of this calm season in the Indian Ocean. And since that weather has abated after the monsoon passed, we've seen a really significant surge in the level of pirate activity in the Somali Basin. And between ourselves and NATO, between ourselves, NATO, and the coalition forces in Bahrain, we have broken up, dismantled, disrupted over 50 individual pirate groups who are out on the high seas trying to strike merchant vessels. The important thing is that the majority of those action groups have been broken up before they committed any attacks. So we're getting to the pirates now before they start striking the merchant ships, which is extremely important. The monsoon is always on our side, and the next monsoon period, the southwesterly monsoon, will start probably midway through June. So we've got about a month and a half to go before the sea conditions prevent the pirates operating in the Indian Ocean. So over the remaining 6 weeks, we'll continue to place our forces where we think the pirates will operate. We'll use the good number of maritime patrol aircraft that we have to go and identify them. Keep the surveillance high on the coast near the pirate camps, and we'll spread the information with the three agencies, as I say, ourselves and NATO and the coalition, to make sure that the nearest ship can respond as quickly as possible to close down these threats. Then we need to sit during the summer season when the weather is on our side to decide how we're going to address the problem in September, October, when the weather eases and these rogues, these pirates, will be back on the high seas. Well, I think the first thing we need to do is to sort out some of our force flow, the number of assets at our disposal. We've got a good number of member states who provide us with ships and tankers and so on. But the aircraft that we've enjoyed over the last 6 months have been critical in delivering the recent successes. And in the autumn, we don't have too many. So I'm working now with the member states to see whether we can increase the number of aircraft in the region. And that will allow us to keep pressure on the pirate camps and spot them if they get to sea. Well, Montenegro has a very, very welcome addition, having signed the third-party agreement. That's excellent, and we're getting some Montenegro staff with us, and they'll be joining the Force Commander at Sea, so really pleased about that. Portugal, who've been quite busy with NATO responsibilities until recently, have deployed one of their maritime patrol aircraft to the Seychelles, and that big military aircraft is providing excellent coverage down in that part of the Indian Ocean, so we're really welcome to those. And of course, we continue to talk with Ukraine as to how we can get Ukrainian vessel protection teams into theatre, on board some of our ships, and engaging the pirates in theatre. So exciting prospects ahead. Right.
Il fait juste quelques plans pour le...
On a déjà fait à la photo.